Hi guys, and welcome to another video on Jay's workshop. Today I'll be showing you how to change the oil and oil filter and the air filter on a Nissan Qashqai 1.6 petrol 2011. First of all, we change the air filter. Just remove these clips off the tray. As you can see, that is really bad. Hasn't been changed in a long time. Here's the new one. Like so. Step back in. Just clip it. Like so. Now, to change the air filter, the oil filter, it's located down there. That's the oil filter. So we have to go under the car. I'm going to drive onto the road. Okay, so to get to the oil filter, you need to remove this tray here. So it's just a couple of these screw-on clips which you just pop out like that. Like so, and then they just pull out like that. There's another one here. Take that out. There's another one here. Take that out. There's one more here. Take that out. That should hopefully release this. Okay, so there's two more screws that you have to remove. There's one nut here, and there's none on that side, so yeah, it's just literally this one nut. The other ones are missing. This one of these, there should be three, but two of them is missing. So this will now come out like so. To remove the oil and the oil filter, we need a grip pliers like this, and we need a 14mm socket. But first of all, I'm going to take the dipstick out, leave it like that, and open the oil filter top up. Just keep the cap off a bit loose like that so the oil can flow. 14mm socket. So have your oil pan ready. Catch the oil. Let the oil out. Wow, that oil is black. Car hasn't been serviced in 3 years apparently. Anyway, we'll just let that drain out. So the oil is drained out. We'll just put in the cap back in. Oh, some nut. And then give it some wipe. Tighten it back up. That's enough. Now we're going to open the oil filter. It's not been opened in a long time. As you can see, it's very tight. Yeah, I'm gonna have to use two hands. Okay, as you can see, I had to squeeze it a lot to get it open. Now, it should release. Make sure you have your oil pan again down here to catch the oil. Wow, that oil is so dirty. The new oil filter. To put some oil on there. Some oil on the top, like this. I've already given it a clean up there, as you can see it's nice and clean. I'm just gonna put the oil filter back on now. So you just want to hand tighten it and not anymore. Look at the state of the old one. That's enough. I'm gonna put this under tray back on, and then we'll be topping up the oil. So all that's left to do is put 4.3 liters of oil in this pot. It takes 4.3 liters. And the grade is 5W. Okay, so I'm putting 4.3 liters of oil. I've checked the level is perfect, and that's how simple it is to change the oil and air filter and oil filter on a Nissan Qashqai. I hope you guys like the video. Please like, subscribe and share.